So hello guys, welcome back to the new video.
Dual culture mean your turning right is here, not there.
Really?
This is 2 lane come this way, 2 lane go that way.
Oh, so I need to go and wait here.
First you check on your immediate right.
Okay.
When you say you go there, then double check here if it's safe. You're going to come on the
Right.
left side.
You
That's the
mentioned
reservation.
like this is not the way, so that's I thought
said
like
this is the not this is the
okay,
junction, no
okay,
junction
sorry,
there,
my
right?
bad. Yeah,
It's
I
a dual
did-
carriageway.
did
Whenever
not-
reservation in the middle, it's called the dual carriageway.
Okay. Sometimes when vehicle is going on both sign traffic is going in one road.
Same service.
So no, suppose I don't have these roads
Then
here.
single carriageway, yeah.
Then
Then you
single
got it,
carriageway.
yes.
Okay.
Whenever reservation in the middle, it's called dual
Dual
carriageway.
carriageway.
So that's a
Okay.
dual carriageway. You can see there's 2 lanes, so make
Yeah.
sure check it. And another one, if your car not going to fit through here,
I'll wait here.
you wait here and make sure to do both
Both are-
observations is right away,
Yeah.
yeah? Okay? Second one, then end of the road, turn right please. As usual, I will intervene if you do something wrong.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. I'll check on the mirrors. This is one. Oh.
Check your shoulder as well, please quickly. Yeah, that's it, good. Like that, quick, that's it. You got it, just double check your shoulder. I mentioned this last time as well. Yeah? Right, eh? And you go.
Should I park?
At the biting point, please. Touch the half. Okay, find the biting point. Okay, keep looking there, please. Safe to go after this car? Yeah?
Yeah. No.
Can you go forward to go? You go to the line, otherwise you won't see it. Yeah, wait here, please. Can you go after this car?
Yeah.
Good. Double check on your left, please. Don't go across it, wait. Yeah, if you don't go to give you a line, you're not going to open, so you can't see it.
Yeah. I was like not confident where is the
You can see the line, broke the line.
speed limit.
Yes, after that roundabout,
60.
that's the speed limit. Depend. If you do carriageway, 70. Double check, can you go now?
Yeah.
Just go. So speed up it quick up, please. No gears. No gears. Put the gas down. Harder. Harder. Do the gear now. Keep to the left side. Don't go. It's at 70. Look. Dual carriageway. Reservation area middle. Roundabout turning left. First take. Front mirror left. Signal left. Slow down now. Keep a brake more. Second gear. Keep braking more. Check the roundabout now. Check the roundabout earlier. Positions. You can't go. Keep to the left side. Yeah. Good. Double check it. Can you go after this car?
Yeah.
Good. Keep to the left side, please. Yeah, you look early, keep the flow. Slow down early, look. Try to move without stopping it. Try, we're going to try it. You're going to come back again. One more time. Keep it in the gear. Keep it in the gear. Good. Okay, at the traffic light, turning left, right?
And from here I can just
Turning left. Here. Keep to the left side too, when you're turning, don't go to the right. That's wrong.
is it
You're going so much wide. You need to follow the curve.
yeah,
You're turning.
I'm not able to
don't speed up quickly. You bring down to 28 and keep it 28, 28 to 30, that's good. Okay, at the traffic light, we're going to turn left. We're going to start with gently touching the brake. Start brake. So which mirror we're going to check our signal? Center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Keep braking. While you brake, in which gear we're going to go with the second first. Keep the clutch down, keep the brake on. Even more. Keep rolling slowly up to that stop line. Which gear should be now? First. Keep rolling up to the line. Stop at the line, please. Okay, perfect. Stop there. Then if you want, you can use the handbrake. When you turn in left, keep the same distance from the curb. You try to keep on the left lane. Don't go to the right lane to come in left.
Turning left.
Yes, turn in left. Did you see how we stop here, slow down? That's the way I want to see it. So more smooth progress and progress braking. Perfect, that's a turn. Perfect, look. That's better. You get it? Do the same turn when you do the turn left at the roundabout. That turn in left. Check your speed. So don't give too early, it's a queue traffic. We signal about 4 car lane before, there's a traffic there, okay? Which mirror? Good. Did you see the new speed limit changing again?
Yeah, national speed.
So look at the lanes, slow down and check the roundabout quickly. Look at the behavior. If you can't see, slow down more. You can't go now, right? Keep looking there, please. And up to this car. To the left side, please. Yes. Gear again. What is this? Which gear better now? Yeah, braking should be like this. Then giving you more time.
Right.
You get it? Not late braking, eh? Gear better again. Still need to give it to the right, Check immediate right again. Okay, look at the car. Second exit,
Oh. No.
Release the handbrake or something. Go to the giveaway line, otherwise you can't see it. Check again. Can you go now? Good. Any gear? With signal, check your right mirror as well for overtaking. Then build the speed. Don't build the gear, position. The gear now. I think you're not putting the clutch to the floor, that's why the gear are very stiff in for you. Okay?
I guess the same, yeah.
You're putting like half a and like that. Okay, you can't see the road, don't speed up. Okay. Again follow the road again. What's your plan? Keep braking. Which gear? Check the roundabout earlier. It's too slow down. Look.
Yeah, I can go.
No, you can't. But double check it. Can you go now?
Yeah.
That's it. Good. Okay. Any mirrors? Any signal? And check the right mirrors. Build at the speed. Don't slow down. Don't slow it down on the roundabout. Keep it steady. That's it. Good. Then signal. Any gear again? Very good. Okay. Turning left is at the roundabout. I first check it. Okay. Switch mirror before you give signals. Center left, when are you going to give signal?
No.
Good. When are you going to put braking? Which gear? Which lane? When are you going to observe?
We're getting left, right?
Yes. Can you go now?
Yeah.
Good. Don't slow down, gentle and progress. Gently, Okay, now hard acceleration. With the speed hard. Which gear again? What to the left? Okay, good. Okay. When you get 40 speed, which gear? And also, otherwise, your speed, your judgment also say. Your position should be outer lane, That's it. The learner can't need to give it to you.
Right.
You get, okay, you can keep carrying on. But gently, as a build-up area, this one,
Yeah.
You get my point?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got a planning.